We do not expect our beginning students to remember everything that we teach in the beginning class, but we do hope they remember at least one idea, and that is line of dance. It is, after all, a safety feature because it's the main way that we avoid colliding with each other. Line of dance simply means that the ballroom dance floor is a one-way street counterclockwise around the center. While there may be occasions when a step or two is taken against line of dance, and of course there may be also steps in other directions, the main direction of movement for all couples is in a counterclockwise circle around the center of the floor. The dancer needs to be aware at all times of what might be called the dancer's compass. Line of dance is straight ahead, following that counterclockwise direction. Against line of dance, sometimes referred to as rear, is the opposite direction. And while we do not move that direction very often, there may be times when one or the other partner will be facing that direction. At right angles to line of dance and rear are the directions toward the wall and toward the center. Toward the center, of course, is to the left if you are facing line of dance. Toward the wall is the opposite direction from the center. If you are near the corner of the room, facing the wall does not mean facing a physical wall, but it simply means putting the back to the center and facing outward. In between these four primary directions are four other directions on the diagonal. Diagonal center, diagonal wall, diagonal center rear, and diagonal wall rear. Of course, this dancer's compass changes direction as the dancers move around the room. North is not constant, but north is always counterclockwise around the center. Thus, a dancer on the right side of this diagram, facing line of dance, would be facing the top of the picture. Directly across from that person, a dancer facing line of dance would be facing the bottom of the picture, the opposite direction. But both would be facing line of dance, namely counterclockwise.